Hi there, it's Q19 here and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how to make your own special drill bits for drilling spot welds on a very tight budget, I guess you could say. This is what the finished product looks like. This is not actually the best example, but it works, and I'll show you a video where I'm using it. And yeah, so what you want to do is take, in this case this is 8mm drill bit, but you can use whatever size you want. I usually cut it straight, cut the top, cut it straight in a straight line, and then shape it with a grinder, basically making the reversing this angle of the drill bit, and but leaving a little point in the middle that will hold you in the center of where you want to drill. The point in the middle must be higher than the points on the sides that actually cut. So as you drill, first the little point in the middle sort of drills a little pilot hole, and then the sides cut into it and, you know, do the work. So yeah, I'll show you a video of how I made this one, and maybe a video of me using it. It's not as good as the ones you can buy, but it's super cheap. That's the reason why I did this, because it's cheap and you can resharpen it how many times you want, pretty much. So yeah.